let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate tango choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's see same tango choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with Fallaway Promenade, which we finish in promenade position, and from here we dance promenade link, then Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with open reverse turn with lady outside and close finish, then back Corte with close finish and progressive link to achieve promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we start moving down line of dance with Fallaway Promenade. Then we move diagonally to center, and then again down line of dance with promenade link. We continue in same direction with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot, and open reverse turn lady outside and close finish. We dance back Corte moving diagonally to center, and then progressive link in which we achieve promenade position, ready to move into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.